Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a disappointing day here, as I talked about in the previous video. I mean, you had to give credit where credit's due. The price was working its way upwards. It was silently, slowly grinding, and then all that progress was wiped away today. So definitely back to the drawing board here. And while I'm not saying that the price can never, ever recover, I'm just saying that relatively speaking, compared to what was happening over the past couple of days, all that was just, completely wiped away. And that does bring about the first update here. And I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this area of resistance down, because now if there is any sort of upwards movement, that key level of resistance now is going to be right up there around $4.45. So if this sideways movement continues and then attempts to make a move back to the upside, the big question mark that I think a lot of people will be wondering about is not necessarily can the price get up to 445, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay above it? So you're going to want to watch that area very, very closely here moving forward. And then as far as supports are, well, let me take a step back because this one can move quick. So in the event that all of a sudden Friday is explosive, it gets up to 445 and then pushes up through that level, the next area of resistance you would want to keep an eye on is that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 200 period moving average, and the current value of that is right there at, we'll call it $4.55. As far as levels of support are concerned, squeeze down the chart a little bit, you can see the next key level is that green line. And I realize that the chart's, now all of a sudden hard to see, but that's just the problem when you have these big gap downs. It throws off the proportions of things. But that level is down there around $4.25. So if the price ultimately does, roll back over 425 will be that next question mark from the support side of things in terms of whether or not the price is going to have enough strength to buoy the price, and hold up it, and then eventually maybe even try to create some sort of bounce back to the upside. But moving into Friday, those are going to be the two main levels, so let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.